oxidation reduction and electron transfer method. When a magnesium wire is burnt in oxygen, a white powder is produced. Thus, magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. It is the magnesium oxide which is seen as a white powder. Take a closer look at both magnesium and oxygen atoms. The electronic configuration of magnesium is 2-8-2, while that of oxygen is 2-6. During the formation of magnesium oxide, magnesium loses 2 electrons and gets converted into Mg2+. This is known as an oxidation reaction, while the released electrons are accepted by an oxygen atom to produce an oxide ion. This reaction is known as a reduction reaction. Two oppositely charged ions now combine together to form magnesium oxide. Such a reaction, in which electrons are transferred from one reactant to another, is called a redox reaction.